Look without wasting any time. We are going to tell you the honest looks maximizing guide, which we ourselves have been following for a long time, and with the help of which we have done our transformation. Even by using these looks maximizing hacks, these people have also transformed their looks from here to here. The third point is very important, so don't miss it. Don't do it. But first of all, you have to do this. Stand out from the crowd. Look, we have kept this at number 1 because you like this the most. You can start applying fast because good looks maxing or... The main reason behind Glow Up is the same. Either you want to be the best version of yourself. Do you want to look different? Or do you have to look different from everyone else? But mostly, a common mistake people make is that they follow the same trends. Fortnite. It's important to look good on English, Korean, or your favorite style influencer. It's not like they look good on you either. You and all of us are Indians. Your skin tone, height, and facial structure are different. So it is obvious that you should follow the style which suits you best and not the one which looks good on someone else. First of all, don't follow the trend, but do the opposite, meaning whoever is around you or in your age group. You have to separate it from the crowd so that you can... Don't mix in, but look at it separately. So, all you need to do is follow these 3 golden rules of style mixing. First, you have to follow the color, style, and fitting of your clothes. It should suit you, meaning if your skin is dark, then it should be very bright. Or wait for the bright colors. Simple shades are the best. You will look good. And if you have fair skin, then dark or medium-toned colors. You will look better. So simple. So best. Look tall in your clothes, not short. If your height is average or short, wear clothes and shoes that visually show you your height. Tall clothes will only look good if your height is already tall. Otherwise, you will look even shorter. It is not necessary that you buy expensive clothes. Rather, you should start wearing premium-looking bust fabrics. Rush people and sleepers also wear specific fabrics that look premium, even though they are simple. Fix your face. Imagine your skin is completely clear, not a single pimple or blemish. But your fee structure doesn't seem right, but you work on your fee structure, and your fee becomes like this. You might be thinking right now that this will take a lot of time, Willis. Absolutely. No, you just have to understand this concept. Resting face versus conscious face. It is very common for most of us to pay our own resting fees. Can't see what may seem strange to the natural, but others see it clearly. They are noticing, look, this is the resting fee of this person. And look, this is the same person's face, but it's not in resting mode. This is the conscious face. To solve this most common problem, try to keep your facial muscles from resting mode to conscious mode most of the time. Just feel your facial muscles and tighten them slightly, not too much. Your face should not look lazy or hanging. In a second, your facial attention can increase tenfold. Celebrity skin secret. Look, you must have heard this, that for skin waxing you need to follow a good skincare routine. We will not waste your time by giving the same old advice. You must have heard this from celebrities that I just drink more water. I drink it to keep my skin good, and nothing else. Reality. It is that some of these people are they are good looking. They get some surgeries done, and some people are average due to genetics. However, some celebrities look naturally younger than their age, even without any surgery, because their skin collagen levels are good. Collagen is a natural protein that keeps the skin tight, youthful, and glowing. But as we grow older, it gradually decreases. You see for yourself, your skin was not like this since childhood. It changes as you grow older, and this happened along with the decrease in collagen level. And the biggest issue is protein or collagen in our Indian diet. Stitches, wrinkles, dullness, sagging, and even hair fall starts. Look, we believe in solving the problem from the core and not just superficially. For naturally glowing, tight, clear, and youthful skin, it is important to take collagen. So, if you want to solve this collagen problem, then you can try 5T's Latted Glow. Kali is a proven collagen supplement that boosts collagen levels and provides antioxidants, leaving skin hydrated, bright, and youthful. It also reduces nail breakage and hair fall by up to 20%. Hydrogen collagen or bioavailable collagen. Heyep demo in glutathione. Hey Joe Skin Go, tight bright or why? Hyaluronic acid locks in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and plump. Contains vitamin C to remove dullness and pigmentation, and gives a natural glow. Contains Sesbania Lift extract, a plant-based biotin, to control hair fall and promote nail growth. All you
growth.
have to do is mix 1 scoop of it in 100 milliliters of water and drink it. It comes in 3 flavors: pineapple, fruit, and orange. You can buy the flavor you want from the buying link given in the description and pin comment. Now, the next thing you have to do is buy VA accessories. Most people don't realize how much small details can enhance their overall look. Watches, sunglasses, rings, and chains aren't just for style or fashion. They also define your personality, as according to a study, 50% of girls wear them the most. Women first notice a guy's style, and 68% said that among accessories, their first attention goes to a watch because a good watch makes you look classy and mature. And for this, it is not necessary that the watch should be expensive. It should just have a simple, minimalist design without any big logos so that it does not look fake. Even if you want a watch that matches every outfit, one that is neither too formal nor too casual, sunglasses are also essential. Because these are not just for fashion, but they are also useful in making the face look symmetrical and hiding dark circles. That is why you will mostly see celebs wearing sunglasses. Match with every outfit. You must have seen international models wearing minimalist and basic ring chains and bracelets that don't look too much but add details. We personally use these things ourselves, and you too should wear all these things, but in a simple way. And in a classy way. Just remember that we all should not look fancy with big chains and multiple rings, but should remain minimal and classy. A simple ring, premium-looking chain bracelet, and classy sunglasses that match your personality can take your looks to the next level. Fix your body. Think you have followed everything, but if your body shape is not good, then you probably will not be completely 100% confident. Now you will either be thin, fat, or somewhere in between. So what to do? Here is a sample. You don't have to join a gym, you can also work out at home. If your goal is just to look fit and attractive, not to become a bodybuilder, then first decide what kind of body you want. You will find free workout plans on YouTube based on your body type. It will only take 30 to 45 minutes, you just have to be consistent. You will see the results yourself in a few days, and then even a simple black t-shirt will look different on you. Good looking is not just about expensive clothes, but also about a good physique, is also necessary. And as long as this transformation is taking place, fix your standing and sitting posture. Just look at how much bigger your posture is. Different. And look how much difference it makes to your sitting posture. Be dapper, simple hygiene and grooming anyone. Can also make you look better instantly, but if your beard is long or if you have a patchy beard and long nails, you don't have a proper hairstyle, then girls, doesn't this show that boys also don't like it? That person is so lazy and does not take care of himself. That is why he is such a despicable person. And keep getting it set on time. I myself go to the barber every Sunday to maintain the look and look sharp. Also, I would like to give you a pro tip that, if possible, use your signature style deo or perfume daily. In India, most people do not have this habit yet, but in some cities, people definitely use it. This means that when you meet someone, a nice fragrance comes out of you, and people also remember that this person has a particular kind of fragrance. And yes, the most important thing is, if you want to know our own daily skincare routine in full detail, then this